Check it out. This the lemonade one row iced out bling bling rosary necklace. Alright, about this chain. The retail price on this is $100. So you save 59.5. That's 60%. This chain costs 39.95 on hiphopbling.com. So I hope you guys like this. Check it out. It's gold plated. 24 karat gold plated. Jesus right there. Take it out outside, it'll shine really bright. You take it outside at nighttime, it'll shine really bright. It's a very nice thing. I saw it on another website for like $150. But you know, Hip Hop Bling got my back, so you know they chopped that price down, $100 or $110. So yeah, check that out. If you want me to do a promo on it again or anything, just hit me up. Hip Hop Bling up if you have any questions. YouTube.com/hiphopbling if you need anything. The yellow CZ stones. Hope you guys like them.